Friends, please subscribe my channel. Today I am making the carrot juice. I like a carrot. Do you like carrot? Okay, you like carrot. So I am making the carrot juice. I like a carrot juice. I am making. Now let's start. Follow me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now adjust this. Now put carrot here. I am taking 1 carrot. We put the carrot. Now let's push this. Let's push this. This is my juice for drinking juice. Now, drinking juice for cooking is ready for drinking. For mom and dad, and brother and sister. If you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel. Goodbye. Thank you.